In this lesson, we're going to look at how to focus on an input element using JavaScript. So to focus on an input element basically means to set the next user input to go into a particular input field. So for example, I've got two input elements set up here, input element 1 and 2, and simply clicking on one means that I'm setting the focus on input element 1. So we can do that programmatically with JavaScript, and there is a focus function, but calling it directly in the console doesn't actually do anything, and this is one of those weird quirks of using JavaScript while the console's open. So what we'll actually do is trigger that focus function based on when the focus 1 and focus 2 buttons are clicked. So now when I click on either the focus 1 or focus 2 buttons, you can see that that focus function is called on the relevant HTML element, and I'm able to start typing some text into that input field. And whoops, and for the second focus button, I've actually set up the function call on input element 1 again, so let's fix that. So you can see when I click on the focus 2 button now, I'm able to type some text into that second box, and clicking focus 1 again takes me back to the first input element. So that's all you really need to know about setting the focus on an input element, but there are some times when you might want to lose that focus. In other words, to use JavaScript to actually remove focus from that particular element, and we can do that with a similar command called blur. So now let's say input element 2 has focus. If I click the blur 2 button, you can see that focus is removed from element 2 and it's not actually reapplied to any of the other elements, i.e. element 1. We can do the same thing for element 1 as well. So that might be useful when you want to control which element has focus by adding and removing it using the focus and blur functions.